I'm Hillary Hickam, veterinarian. Bloodstop powder has many uses in animal care. Horses are well known for their fight or flight behavior. Their first response is to flee, which can get them into bad situations. Chest and leg wounds from fencing and wire cuts are a common result. Curicyn bloodstop powder can aid in controlling capillary bleeding from these types of wounds. Docking and dehorning cattle is another common application. It's also useful on dogs and cats when clipping nails or claws. Apply Curicyn bloodstop powder freely to the wound area and repeat as needed. Bandage if necessary. Once the bleeding is under control, treat the area with Curicyn Original Wound Care Formula. Curicyn cleans the wound and helps expedite the healing process. Curicyn Original Formula's synergistic properties also helps prevent the formation of proud flesh. Have confidence in knowing that you are using the very best wound care product on the market. Curicyn wound care products are effective and affordable. To find a retailer or vet professional near you, go online at curicyn.com or call 1-800-467-0547. I'm Hillary Hickam, and we'll see you next time for another Curicyn Care Tip.